Welcome to a brand new episode, guys. Today we're taking care of a few mechanical things on the big 80. You can hear it roaring behind me, but we're taking care of a few mechanical things, so join me along the ride. This is episode 3. Enjoy. So here's our 1FZ FE, of course, with our distributor, and we're just gonna put in a new fuel filter. And I wanted to show you how these belts are looking. You can just see the condition of these belts. They really need replacement. Totally cracked. So here is our famous box of parts. Of course, our fuel filter is right here. It's a simple bolt-on process. Our belts are right here as well, and so are our spark plugs. So we'll get that done. So we'll also spray that throttle. As you can see, it's a bit dirty. Motor, yeah. Here are our old plugs. I think these are the genuine. I think these came with the motor, and these are also iridium plugs. And as we can see, these look pretty wonderful.
Yes, that sludge is it's because of our fuel. We don't.
We're just working on getting the plugs out, and we'll put the fresh plugs in, as you can see. Just looking at the old plug, we can see got a bit of sludge buildup over there, and the clearance is also less, so these needed replacement, and so good we're getting it done. Wouldn't be an efficient spark. So here is one of our worn rubbers. You can see the condition of this. I'll attempt to show you, but you know, this is definitely beyond the point where you should get your belts replaced. So this was the AC belt. Totally cracking, very hard rubber. Not in good condition. Alright guys, so we're almost done here. The new belts are just about in, so I'm gonna show you those now. And just wrapping it up, so we got brand new spark plugs, new fan belt, AC belt, and a new fuel filter. So those are our new belts. As I told you, the old belts were all cracked and pretty old, and same was the case with the plugs, and also the fuel filter, very worn. So good sort of preventative maintenance. Just wrapping up over here. You saw me at the garage. We got all that work done, and as you can see behind me, I mean, what better view is that than two Land Cruisers? We got Cygnus and we got 80. Really, couldn't ask for more. You know, my two favorite vehicles, and hopefully one day we'll have a 200 in there, but lots more videos coming, guys. So I just wanted to start the car for you. You know, we did those plugs, fuel filter, and the belts. So we want to see if it's running a bit smoother. You know, those plugs looked quite worn. So let's start the car, see what we achieved today, and if it's running any better. Alright, so we're just gonna get the car started. So as you can see, it's running pretty smoothly, in fact probably smoother than before. The only things we have left now are that exhaust leak, and I have the complete exhaust and the swivel hub. I need a swivel hub kit. I need some seals, basically. It's leaking a bit. But you know, good day's work, and I think you'll agree with me, it's running pretty smoothly. Alright, so last video of the day, just checking how the vehicle is running nice and smooth. So there's a bit of a power steering leak that I need to deal with. It's just one of these hoses, so need to get a bunch of hoses. And probably grease these ends a bit, grease these linkages of the throttle a bit. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that episode 3 of this Land Cruiser 80 Revival. You know, we'll take it from here. At least the car is running good now and it looks good. And so the little mechanical things that we have left, we can take care of as time goes on. So gonna enjoy driving it a bit more, and I'll take you along the ride. If you enjoyed, hit like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.